Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's our Shumatt channel. I'm Kidney from Shumatt, China. Today I will introduce you one of our injector. Let's take a look. Neutral white box. Label, one side each piece. Product code is 04451100526. Logo label, packaging details. We supply customized service. First layer, avoid some damages. The second layer, blue VCI anti-rust bag. For this inject, the OE number is KUNMING YUNNEI POWER HA11013. High quality, 3 times commercial test before send out. And good after-sales service, 6 months warranty time. In this period, you can return or exchange it if you are not satisfied with the quality. Protection cover, QR code, plug, triangle valve in the inside. Generally, oil goes through from this position and come out from here. Injector nozzle. Each spare parts like the injector nozzle, control valve, solenoid valve. Generally, we use By Schumatt, Green Power, etc. If you want to hair quality, we can use original Bosch brand. So much for this one. And at last, remember follow us, and if you want to know something, please send us by the comments and Kizling will help you to check it. So much for today. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.